Hi there, my name's Alyssa. I've been an nvenn customer for over 4 years now. When I first started using them, my hair was very dry, very damaged, very brittle from box dyeing my hair regularly using drugstore products. My hair would be falling off in clumps, breakage was happening all over my hair. It almost looked like I had breaking layers. So I was in need of quite a bit of help. I started using the nvenn line and almost instantly I could feel the hair starting to be repaired. It was extremely silky after the first couple washes. And you could tell that my hair was getting the nutrients that it needed. I start my day off by using our wash. So what I love about it is it smells fantastic. The first ingredients to both the wash and the polish are organic sea kelp. So I know my hair is getting the nutrients it needs and I'm not spending a big portion of my wallet on water. The polish itself is very fantastic. It comes out in super thick cream. So it almost feels like a mini mask, but it's actually safe to use daily, which I definitely needed because my hair really needed that moisture. Following the shower, I love to use our Replenish oil. So the Replenish oil comes out really soft, silky. You can actually put it right into dry hair. I will show you guys. So I don't typically use a lot, just a bit. Smoosh it around your hands. And then I can actually apply it even after it's already been blow dried and dry to give it a little bit more silk. And it really just softens up the hair altogether. Following this, I get quite a few fluffies on the top of my head that drive me particularly nuts throughout the day. So I use our smooth cream. So just give it a nice little shake, put it in your hands. It comes out like a nice white cream. And then we move it around. This stuff is also really good for protecting your split ends. So I usually start by applying it on my ends, and then I move the rest to the top of my head to really hold down those little flyaways. It gives me a very smooth look. And then you can just push it into the rest of your hands. And then I have very nice, straight, soft hair. Absolutely suggest this brand. They've had a special place in my heart for quite a few years now, especially going through the struggles that I did have at first with my hair. But I can happily say that I'm very happy with results. Thank you.